What's for dinner?
I'm thinking pizza.
Sounds good. Delivery?
Yeah, let's order in.
How was your day?
Pretty busy.
Nice weather today.
Perfect for a walk.
Want to go to the park?
Sure, let's meet at 3.
Did you hear about Tom?
No, what happened?
He got a new job.
That's great news.
Are you free Saturday?
Yes, why?
Want to grab lunch?
Sounds fun.
How's your new car?
It's great. Very smooth.
What color did you get?
Blue. It looks nice.
Did you finish the report?
Almost. Need more time.
When can you submit it?
By tomorrow afternoon.
What's your weekend plan?
Nothing much. You?
Thinking of movie night.
Can I join?
Have you tried the new cafe?
Not yet. Is it good?